alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in northern Illinois and northwest Indiana, will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. The flood warning continues for the following. For the Rock River at Trockton, moderate flooding is occurring.